24. In which year, Sukfar established a home kingdom in Cheraido? A. 1253. B. 1272. C. 1296. D. 1309. Ans. A. 25. The War of Sareghat was fought between Ahom and Mughal in the year. A. 1652. B. 1667. C. 1670. D. 1671. Ans. D. 26. Mahatma Gandhi first visited Assam in the year. A. 1918. B. 1919. C. 1920. D. 1921. Ans. D. 27. The first book to win Sahitya Akademi Award is. A. Yarwingong. B. Bonful. C. Alakananda. D. Pitaputra. Ans. B. 28. Who is the first barrister of Assam? A. Haliaram Dekar. B. Pranab Kumar Borwa. C. Anandoram Boro. D. Parul Das. Ans. C. 29. Which one is the largest district in Assam by area wise? A. Barpeta. B. Karbi Anglong. C. Sivsagar. D. Dibrugarh. Ans. B. 30. In which district, Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary is located? A. Golaghat. B. Sivsagar. C. Karbi Anglong. D. Dibrugarh. Ans. C. 31. In which year, National Games was held in Assam? A. 2002. B. 2004. C. 2005. D. 2007. Ans. D. 32. Gibbon Wildlife Sanctuary is located at? A. Chirang. B. Dibrugarh. C. Kokrajhar. D. Jorhat. Ans. D. 33. The Guwahati Tea Auction Center was established in the year. A. 1970. B. 1972. C. 1975. D. 1977. Ans. A. 34. Which town is also known as the Manchester of Assam? A. Jorhat. B. Swalkuchi. C. Diffu. D. Digboy. Ans. B. 35. The Brahmaputra Cracker and Polymer Limited industry is located at? A. Makum. B. Mariani. C. Lepatkata. D. Nagon. Ans. C. 36. Which city of Assam has the largest dry fish market of Asia? A. Tangla. B. Jagirod. C. Dhubri. D. Tinsukia. Ans. B. 37. Guwahati University was established in the year. A. 1935. B. 1942. C. 1948. D. 1950. Ans. C. 38. Who was the first Vice-Chancellor of Guwahati University? A. Krishnakanta Handikyu. B. Hemchandra Goswami. C. Padmanath Gohain Barwa. D. Rajanikanta Bordoloi. Ans. A. 39. Total number of parliamentary constituency in Assam. A. 12. B. 13. C. 14. D. 16. Ans. C. 40. Lakshminath Bezbaroa is honored with Prasaraj by Assam Sahitya Sabha in The. Year. A. 1917. B. 1922. C. 1928. D. 1931. Ans. D. 41. Namghosa was written by A. Sankardev. B. Madhabdev. C. Madhava Kandali. D. None of the above. Ans. B. 42. Halodhya Choraya Bavdhan Khai won the National Film Award for Best Feature Film in the year. A. 1985. B. 1988. C. 1990. D. 1991. Ans. B. 43. The film, Halodhya Choraya Bavdhan Khai, was directed by A. Bhabendranath Sakia. B. Janu Barwa. C. Bhupen Hazarika. D. Manju Bora. Ans. B. 44. How much % of the Indian landmass is covered by the state of Assam? A. 3.39%. B. 2.39%. C. 4.39%. D. 2.93%. Ans. D. 45. Which language is used by Sankardev to written budgets? A. Assamese. B. Sanskrit. C. Bengali. D. Brajavali. Ans. D. 46. The literacy rate of Assam according to 2011 census is A. 72.19%. B. 72.58%. C. 73.12%. D. 73.98%. Ans. A. 47. When the uprising of Patharughat took place? A. 1857. B. 1864. C. 1889. D. 1894. Ans. D. 48. Who was the president of the Swaraj Party in Assam during freedom movement? A. Bishnuram Medhi. B. Gopinath Bordoloi. C. Tarun Ram Phukan. D. Maniram Dewan. Ans. C. 49. The terracotta industry is located in A. Dhubri. B. Karimganj. C. Goalpara. D. Dhemaji. Ans. A. 50. The Ahom kingdom was established in the year. A. 1216. B. 1228. C. 1256. D. 1272. Ans. B.